Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify plug-in charge support and certificates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify plug-in charge support, start by checking the vehicle specifications. Consult the owner's manual or the manufacturer's website for plug-in charge details. Ensure your vehicle is compatible with the ISO 15118 standard. Next, identify the charging station you intend to use. Confirm that the charging station supports plug-in charge functionality. You can often find this information on the manufacturer's website or the charging network provider's platform. Next, use the vehicle's dashboard or mobile app to access charging settings. Navigate to the section detailing charging protocols. Look for an option or indicator for plug-in charge support. If available, enable this feature if it's not already activated. Now, prepare to connect to the charging station. Plug the charging connector into your vehicle's charging port. Observe the interaction between your vehicle and the charging station. The plug-in charge feature should initiate the authentication process automatically. Monitor your vehicle's display for confirmation messages. If the process is successful, the charging should begin shortly. If you encounter issues, check for any error messages on the vehicle's display or the station. You may need to contact customer support for troubleshooting assistance. Now, let's verify the certificates for plug-in charge support. Start by examining the vehicle's certification documents. These certificates usually come with your vehicle purchase or can be found in the user manual. Be sure to look for compliance with ISO 15118. You might also check if your vehicle has been tested by a recognized testing body. Next, review the manufacturer's website for any downloadable certificates. Look for sections related to product information or compliance. Ensure that the required certificates are current and valid. You might also want to consult owner forums for additional insights. Finally, document all findings for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.